In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your API key from monday.com. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate your projects with monday.com or someone exploring how to automate certain tasks, having access to the API key is a crucial step. Let me guide you through the entire process, step by step, so you can easily find and use your API key. First and foremost, you'll want to navigate to monday.com. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the monday.com website address, or simply finding it through a search engine. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your email and password to access your workspace. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper portion of the homepage for an option labeled Administration. This should be quite easy to spot, typically situated near your profile icon or the main navigation area. Go ahead and click on Administration, which will take you to a new section filled with various administrative settings and tools available for your account. Within the Administration section, you will need to find and click on Connections. This part of the interface is aimed at managing the different integrations and connections your monday.com account can utilize. Clicking on Connections will bring you to a page where you'll start to see some of the options related to API access. Now stay focused here. The next step is to find an option specifically labeled Personal API Token. This is an essential part of the process, as this will lead you directly to where you can generate your API key. Upon selecting this, you will be directed to a new area specifically dedicated to API management. Once you reach the page that allows you to manage API tokens, you should see an option to generate a new token. This is your go-to button if your goal is to create a fresh API key to use within your projects. Click Generate, and within moments, a new API key will be created and displayed on your screen. Finally, with your new API key generated, there's just one more step. You'll want to click on Copy. This will place the newly generated API key onto your clipboard, making it easy for you to paste it into your application or wherever it's needed. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through monday.com's interface to generate and copy your API key. Remember, this key is sensitive information that grants access to your monday.com account's data through the API, so be sure to keep it secure and never share it with anyone you don't trust. I hope these instructions have been clear and helpful. Best of luck with your integrations and automations on monday.com.